this lady was super nasty to me. She wanted me to clean her shoes, and she was just like, "You walk one be by, no but I for me." And you about Mobi Nollywood Sherry in those days, and you can attest to this. Like they can't, like such thing can't happen now. And I feel like most Gen Zs cannot relate. Most people cannot relate because not continue to magbaru anything. Do you understand? She was so nasty to me. I wish I could express it how it was done to me. The experience I had with this lady was very, very, very nasty. That for every time I see her videos or her pictures anywhere, it just brings back that memory. It brings back that memory. I can never see her in a good light. Like become a sorry baby become. No, I can't, because my experience with her was terrible. This was my experience with this lady, right? And I saw a post. I didn't even watch the video. I just made a comment like, look, I remember how this, and guess what? As soon as I made that post, I felt so good. I felt so good. It was almost like closure. Like, oh my God, finally you let this thing out. Because even my family, my sister, there's no time that I don't always say it. It's like, I can't believe somebody made me do this. I'm not even saying cleaning your shoes is bad. It's not bad. You can actually send somebody to do something for you. But how you say it matters. It doesn't cost anything to treat people with kindness. It costs absolutely nothing. If you want people to do something for you, be kind. That's all. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Now, the comment was made. Whatever that comment was for me, it was for my own closure. I don't give a shit. I don't care about whatever anybody has to say. Everybody has said their own. Some people called me names and all of that. That's on you, right? But what really made me, what is making me actually do this video is the fact that I now saw, now Instablog posted this thing, right? I was not even online. I just took my phone and I saw people were already, tagging me. They were saying assault, they were insulting me. So I believe she saw the insult and she felt comfortable, like, oh, people are behind me. I want yonja for me. So she made a comment and she laughed at me. Like she laughed at the comment. What you need shoe cleaning by yo. Like it's cruise. Everything is not cruise. Sometimes be accountable. Take accountability for your actions. Kishi go on cruise. Even if anybody is gonna catch cruise, not me. I don't have that time to come and catch cruise with you online. I don't chase clout online. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you get me? Now you came online, you wrote that comment, you laughed at it. As if nothing. Now, if I were you and somebody came online to write such thing about me, I'll do my due diligence. I'll call the person. I'll apologize first of all, because guess what? Oti gbagbe, emi o gbagbe. Eni to shuti gbagbe, eni to ko le gbagbe. Right? I will text the person. I'm so sorry I did this thing to you. I don't remember, but I'm really sorry. And I will try to make amends. That's all. It costs absolutely nothing. Share to delete comments. Delete comments. But you're not coming on that comment. You are laughing, and then maybe because people are now backing you, are telling you, oh yeah, can you come? Do you want an award? I don't want your award. That's not why I'm here. I'm just here to tell you what you did was bad. And if that's how you are, my sister, change, because you need to start treating people with kindness and also take accountability for your actions. Thomas, if you do bad, take accountability. If you do good, you collect your accolades. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if all this back and forth, on that same set, I'm talking about suffering now. On that same set, another celebrity tried to when you to consing, come on, rest sole.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wẹ̀ mà ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin tó wà nínú fídíò yìí tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Adéọlá DIIADEM tí ó sọ nípa actress BIOLA Bayo. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ni ẹ rò pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì yìí tó fi le tó báyìí o.
Mo sùn bá